Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this bestiality city by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to select instance from here. Then you have to click on this box. Then type here 3.5. Then click on this box. Then type here 2. Then click on this box. Then type here 300. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool. Then right click on here. Then you have to select this tool. Then click on here. Then you have to click on this box. Then type here 3. Then you have to click on the OK. Then you have to select this. Then increase the size of this. Then right click on this. Then click on the flip horizontal. Then you have to drag this in here. After that, you have to select this layer again, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this layer. Then you have to double click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then you have to drag this in here. After that, you have to select the shape tool again, then right click on here, then select the rectangle tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select this, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then you have to rotate this. Then you have to drag this in here. Then right click on this, then click on the stock. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this. Then you have to click on the anchor point, then right click on here, then click on the flip horizontal. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this layer again, then go to the layer panel. Then you have to double click on here. Then select this color, then drag this under this layer. After that, you have to select the shape tool again. Then select this tool, then click on here. Then type here 3, then click on the OK. Then select this, then rotate this. Then select this, then double click on here, then select this color, click on the OK. Then you have to rotate these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then you have to select these layers again, then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this. Then click on the anchor point, then right click on here, then click on the flip vertical. Then you have to drag this in here. Then you have to select the shape tool again, then right click on it, then select the rectangle tool, then draw the shape in here. Then click on here, then select this color, then select the move tool, then go to the layer panel, then drag this under these layers. After that, you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then double click on here. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then double click on here. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select the pen tool, then click on here, 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 and here. Then select the move tool, then drag this under these layers. Then select the pen tool again, then click on here, 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 and here. Then drag this layer under this layer. Then select the move tool. Then select this layer, then double click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then double click on here. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. After that, you have to include the icons and write this text in here. Then you have to set this in here. Then you have to select the shape tool from here, then right click on it, then select the rounded rectangle tool. Then draw the shape in here. Then select this, then you have to drag this in here. After set this, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After set the logo, you have to right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on the reds. Then select this color, then select this, then click on the color, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then click on the color, then you have to select this color again, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then click on the drop shadow, then increase the opacity from here, then click on the OK. Then select these layers from here, then press and hold Alt key, then take over from this. Then you have to double click on here. Then write your company name in here. Then click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then write your company category in here. then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then you have to select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the main project. Then you have to unlock all layers from here. After unlock all layers, you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this in here. After set a business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.